Yeah, that means they're getting ready to turn the intersection into a
Katie,
left-turn only lane.
Katie, is this your first Rolling Thunder?
So, yep, first Rolling Thunder.
First Rolling Thunder for Katie. No. You gotta stay up, baby, so you can see good.
You can't see if you're down on the ground.
Do you hear the roo-roos?
They're gonna block off the intersection. Watch.
Look.
See, they're blocking off the intersection.
See, they're blocking off the intersection. This means all kinds of motorcycles are coming. You ready?
You hear it? You hear the motorcycles?
You gotta wave at them, okay?
Right, here we go.
Look, here comes
They
another
got
one.
a big police escort. Look at this police.
Holy cow, baby! Look at all the roo-roos.
See all those motorcycles? Here comes the real motorcycles.
All right.
Here we come. You hear more roo-roos, see?
Oh my goodness!
Here we
Look at all
go.
the roo-roos! Look!
Here we go. There it is. Here they come. Look, they got a tank.
Oh my goodness! And a van.
In a van.
Can you wave? Katie, wave! Look at the tank!
That's a Bradley.
And a van.
That's what I used to work on. Here we go.
Look, here we go.
You ready?
You got wave?
Get away.
Wow.
Look, not done yet.
Can you wave, Katie? Wave! Keep waving! Keep waving, Katie!
Yeah.
Okay, we get a break for 1 second. They had to let an ambulance through, baby. Ready for more?
Here we come.
Okay, yep, get your waving ready.
Get ready.
Get your waving ready.
Yeah. Wave. Good girl, waving.
Wow.
Look at everybody.
You waving? Is that a lot of motorcycles? Wow. He honked the horn. Look at that one. Holy cow. There's a lot of motorcycles. Wow. Are you still waving?
It's a wind, aren't they?
Are you waving?
Wind, huh?
Here comes the green one. Wow, that's cool looking. Wave! And there goes the cop.
Was that cool?
Katie, look at mommy. Did you like that?
Did you like all the motorcycles?
Aww. I love you. Oh, next year, boo-boo, okay?
Maybe next year we'll actually go into DC and watch Rolling Thunder. Huh?
Would that be fun? Katie, can you say bye-bye, everybody? Mwah!